All right, so I want to add some more detail. Like I did over here with the break line, I added one here, right? So I went from this existing elevation to this contour to a high spot here, a high spot here, to a contour to a point, and then ended it down here. All right, so I've added that one, but I haven't rebuilt my surface yet. So now I'm gonna come over here and we're gonna add this building. Now, we already did in the 2D layout, we drew in the building. So if I come in to turn on the, so let me turn on everything here. So I've got the footprint, the curb and gutter, and the building pad. So what I can do with the building pad, since I already have it drawn, is I can just elevate it to 24.5. Now, if you want to keep some information in 2D and then some information in 3D, you can do that. It really won't matter much in this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and elevate this. So to elevate it, we're just going to go over to either data prep or takeoff. I'm going to go to data prep. I'm going to click change elevation, and I'm going to do an absolute elevation of 24.5, and that will elevate that building pad. So now we can see that that's elevated, right? And we can see this other information down here is not. Okay. So if I was to, again, go to takeoff, build surfaces, now you'll see that that building, right, because I already put it in a category, it's now got triangulation. If we take a look, it's got that flat spot. So again, we're building and adding more detail. This line over here got added as well. All right, so we've got the high point in there now. Now, what we need to do next is to do this with the curb line. Okay. Now, the curb line in some cases touches or crosses some elevations. So what we can do is use a tool under data prep called lines. And I think what I'll do is show you that in another video. I'm going to pause this one here, stop this one here. I'm going to create another page and show you this process just so that I can keep this video relatively short and I don't go long on doing the next one. So I'll show you that here in the following video.